Hey guys, so this is the Elk Live coin microscope, and this is if you are looking for any type of coins, or if you're wanting to look at something pretty in depth with some sort of microscope with a digital screen. This actually works out perfectly. So this has 10 LED lights. It does have a metal stand, and I just want to go ahead and take it out of the box so you can kind of see what it all comes with. So this is the actual screen itself. You can see we've actually still got the protector on it. My husband will take it off when he's using it, but when he's done with it, he actually puts the protector back on just to go ahead and protect it. And then it comes with also the cord in order to plug into your PC if you're wanting it to go into a PC, as well as the electrical, so you need to go ahead and have power, so it also comes with that here. And then this is actually the stand, as well as the back of it that will go ahead and hold everything together. So basically this is going to go ahead and screw in there. And then this itself is also going to go ahead and attach through here like this. And so it's basically going to be like that. And what's going to happen is that you're going to put these LED lights. All right, had to get it a little adjusted there. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and you're going to point these LED lights actually on the coin itself. So let's say if this was the coin, you'd actually have it here. And then you would point these LED lights, and you can actually zoom in fairly close. I mean, I will tell you that we've been able to see a lot of different errors on our coins. I'm sure you could probably use this for other things as well if you're wanting to inspect something, but I just kind of wanted to go ahead and show that to you. This knob here, if you want it to go up and down, you can actually get in as close as possible, like so. And again, it'll display everything on this screen here. So it does come with an instruction booklet, and so it kind of gives you just some general information on how to set it up, you know, how to be able to go ahead and use it with your PC, and then which ones are your power cords and all that kind of stuff. So this does not take any batteries. You would actually go ahead and plug this into your PC if you're needing it, or into the wall for electricity. It does work off of a USB, so you do need to buy the connector, or if you happen to have one already at the house, well, then you can go ahead and use that to plug it into the wall, very much like a phone. So anyway, my husband has really enjoyed this. He is not a huge coin collector just yet. This was just something for him to kind of start trying to do, and this actually has worked out very, very perfectly for us. Okay, and a couple of things I want to go ahead and tell you is that these are going to be plastic. They can move anywhere that you're wanting them to go, so you can adjust them for different shadows and that sort of thing. All of this is going to be plastic as well, except for the stand itself. This is going to be metal, as well as this short extender is also going to be metal. But basically you would unscrew this, you would move this up and down to be able to, you know, zoom in or whatever it may be, and then once you get to a certain point, you can actually tighten it so that you cannot move it anymore. So this is metal, all of this is metal, and then there are little foam like feet on the very bottom so that you don't damage your countertops or whatever it is that you're going to be working on.